Hi there. Today we'll see how to add operators to manage your operator app. Access My Hub, find section Management and select tab Operators. Here you can find the list of all company operators and their statuses. To add a new operator, tap Add Operator. Fill out the operator's full name and the email address. Mind that only Google Mails are allowed for operators. Now choose the access type for your new operator: full, limited, public, partner access. Hover over to Information sign to get details on each operator type allowance. If you select Partner Operator, you should set service types available to them. After that, click Add. The operator will get an invite to the specified Gmail and the link to access the operator app. Go down the link to access the app. To delete an operator, click on the More Items button. Select the View of your Operators tab by switching on and off certain columns. Tap on the Settings icon to access Operator Settings. In case Do Not Let Operator selecting any nearest driver option is on, operator will need to set a specific service for each order manually. Show All Drivers on the Map allows operators to see the location of the drivers on the map in the operator app. Define the default service for new orders from Operator app for this service to be automatically assigned to all new orders created in the Operator app. Allow operators to overview heat map to see and manage the hot zones, where the service demand exceeds driver availability. You can export all operator data to CSV via Export option. That's it. See you in the next videos.